Hey guys, in this video I'm going to give you 3 reasons you should choose us over our competitors, and I'm going to try to do it in under a couple of minutes. So a lot of people have been asking me this question: why should they choose us over our competitors, over other people who offer a similar package than us? And here are the main reasons why. Number 1, we do more. We are going to do everything on your site from beginning to end so that when you're done, you have a full website. I'm not going to send it to you saying you still have to set this up or set that up. We're going to do the full setup. Every page is done. We give you bonus pages, buy, sell, market your home pages, about us, testimonials. We're going to set up IDX brokers, saved links, about 30 different saved links that we set up. We give you stock photos. We even set up your Google Analytics. So bottom line, we're going to do more than any of our competitors out there. Number 2, we're less expensive. Our base setup fee is $3.99. There is nobody out there that has a price that's cheaper than $3.99, and if they are, they aren't doing what we do. So $3.99, and then all of our customizations, if you ask us for something special, they're going to be about $85 an hour, and we bill you by the minute. So every task we do is timed and set up so that we do it on a timer. If it is 1 minute, then you get billed for 1 minute. If it's 12 minutes, you get billed for 12 minutes. We're never going to overbill you. And number 3, support. We're not going to wait a week to respond to your emails. We're going to be here on the phone or available via text message. Our support is unparalleled. You are not going to find somebody who is going to be as responsive as me and our team. We're going to respond to your emails quick. We're going to respond to text messages. I'm always answer the phone if I'm available. And if you need help after the site is done, we are big do-it-yourselfers. We love to help our clients learn how to do things. We will make videos for you, or I will screen share with you and show you how to do things and record it so you can watch it later. And we are going to teach you anything that you want to know about your site. And if you don't want to know it, then just tell us you want us to do it. And again, we're going to do most anything that you need us to do. And it's going to be timed if it's a customization, and if it's not, we're going to get it done quick. We use teamwork to support all of our clients, so you never have to guess where we're at any step of the process. You can always go into teamwork and see where we're at, or shoot us an email and we're going to respond quickly for you. So that's it. That's why you should choose us, just in under a couple of minutes. If you have any questions, please feel free to shoot us an email at support@YourSiteNeedsMe.com. Give us a call or come to our website and you can contact us or schedule a call with me, and we will be happy to answer any questions that you have. Have a great day.